Hey guys, good morning. Do you see the actual short squeeze that's happening right now? Getting ready to pump Solana back up? Well, I've been calling it on the other videos this morning. I'm rendering a video right now to show this to you guys on Solana. Guys, this isn't just a theory. It's actually happening on some of the altcoins right now, and you really need to be aware of this. So I'm going to go over that in today's video so you guys don't get trapped on the wrong side of the market, okay? We're currently sitting at 122 wins with 0 losses. We've never lost a crypto trade. And guys, come join us. I will literally show you guys how to copy everything that I'm doing so you guys can join us on all of these trades. We have the healthiest account we can find in a bear market. We're down about 7.8%, while a lot of accounts are still down about 55, close to 60% right now in this market on this drop because they FOMO'd in at really high prices. We're doing really, really, really well. Okay. How are we down 33.5% on EOS and only down 8.7%? Well, it's because of diversification. We're in a lot of different coins, and we also injected some money on the drop, and I called that out in Telegram so you guys can join me on that. So let's dive into today's analysis. If you are trading EOS, you're going to probably think that the best thing to do today is to go short. But let me show you guys that there's reasons I believe this is actually a better time to go long right now. Okay. Retail traders are looking, I'm looking at their indicators right now. Retail traders are looking at the price being below the 50, the 100, and 200 moving average, and their RSI and stochastic are bearish. They're going to look to continue to short and sell in this market. Okay? If you're brand new to this channel, they're looking to short. I'm sorry, this is out of order just a little bit, but I want to make sure I do this because some of you guys are like, what in the world is this? We use 4 buy limits for each of our trades, and as our buy limits get hit, our break-even entry does not stay at the first buy limit. It moves down for us in a bear market. It's the only strategy where as the market goes against you, you actually start making more money as you get back into profit and you get a better risk-reward ratio, okay? I want to dive in here and really take a look at this structure right now because this is going to fake out a ton of people, all right? We're overall in this, I would say we're in this descending channel right here that we've been forming over here. Let me give you guys a better look on the daily time frame so you can see this. You need to understand this first. This channel right here, this descending resistance and this descending now support is in this little bit of a channel we saw here. Now, within this, we are seeing another descending channel forming, which guys, by the way, on the daily, does this not look bullish to you guys of heading to move back up? Just saying. I think it's better to take long trades today and not short trades. I'll show that to you guys with the metrics as well. Here's what we're seeing. We've got this descending channel like this. It's actually a descending wedge, more so a descending wedge here. We've got a descending wedge. This will break to the upside. Literally, there's not been a single time in history where this has not eventually broken to the upside. Okay? What we're seeing is what's called a break and a retest formation, and it's already starting to move up here. If I go to the 15-minute time frame, you guys are going to be able to see this even better. And I'm going to show you guys this on the indicators down here of how we can predict this. This is looking for the break and the retest closest to the descending support now, and then a move back up. Okay, let me get you back on the 4-hour time frame, and let's watch this. I've got money in EOS. It is literally my highest holding of all of my coins. I have a strong, not just a feeling, but I have some data that EOS is going to be a good coin. I believe it's the number 1 coin of 2022 to hold, and it's not on anybody's radar, hardly at all. And so the people who are calling it out, great job for you YouTubers out there. I think we're going to make a ridiculous amount of money on this year. Okay, trend exhaustion and price with well money flow. When trend exhaustion is low and well money flow is low, that's when you guys are looking for moves back up. If you guys took the scalping trade over here on EOS, you're only looking for 3 to 4% profit on this. It went up about 10%. Congratulations for all of you guys who are using our scalping strategy to get in and out of these markets. Guys, people are using this and they're making kind of ridiculous money. Okay, I haven't actually read through this whole thing here. I made $485 yesterday and another $661 this morning from a trade I placed yesterday. And this, I'm looking forward to continue scalping. Okay, I didn't actually realize this was a part of a scalping testimonial, but guys, the scalping masterclass is like almost changing people's lives over here. This guy down here with the 2 indicators, he did $23,000 in a week. Okay, $6,310 trading 88 in Solana. Okay. $3,500 in a week with the indicators and metrics. And it goes on and on and on for like literally just read them all if you guys would like. It's kind of ridiculous. So when you guys have your membership over here and you guys are signed up, just $95 a month, you guys just pay this. It's literally should be hundreds of dollars. This is going to be what you guys need to access all the metrics, the entries and exits on Telegram for all 122 wins. The masterclasses are yours. The community chat where you get to hang out with people, those are yours as well. And then today, I'm going live on Zoom today between 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time in the inner circle. So once you guys have this, come to the mini bar, click the inner circle, and I have a Zoom link there right now. You guys can join me because I'm going to be going live later this afternoon. The masterclass I was telling you guys about that you get access to, you guys need to come down here and watch Masterclass 7. This will teach you guys. That's what that individual was talking about. They're making money with this strategy. Okay, we use indicators as well as the metrics in combination to give us ridiculous entries. And that's what people are using, and that's how they're making their money, okay? Now, that was the entry. Now, for an exit, if you guys get in here and you look for 3 to 4%, you're taken out. But if you don't exit at 3 to 4% and you wake up and you see trend exhaustion high here and well money flow high, that is where we're looking for drops back down, and that's where we got the drop back down. Look at the last time we saw well money flow high and trend exhaustion high here. The market dropped, okay? Even the trend exhaustion low here and well money flow low here, getting into this trade, guys, and holding it. Now you're like, well, the market went back down. Yes, but if you're following the Scalping Masterclass, I show you guys how to use risk management where nobody has got even close to losing that trade there, and you guys are probably either break even or maybe in the profit right now on that exact trade. It's because we know how to use risk management, and this is how we've gone 122 wins in a row and currently hold the highest win rate ever in crypto that we can find. Okay, I'm not trying to shut that off so you guys can't see it. Like literally, this is where all the YouTube videos are posted, all the entries and exits for all of our coins, and you just need to copy me. The last trade we took was 9.92%. I was in this trade with you guys. I took 9.92% with you guys on 50% and roughly about 4% on the remaining 50% that we exited with a stop loss. You guys can see it right here. All the date stamps and everything are transparent. Everything is logged, so no one can question anything, really. It's the reason why we do that. Okay, let's move down here. Long versus short trades, guys, for EOS. Here's something interesting. Price is moving up and short trades are moving out. Does that make sense to you guys? What happens usually when price structure moves up? Short trades increase. Why? Because they're selling the demand of a higher price for short traders. You know, people buy the demand of a lower price and they wanted to go long because they're expecting the price to go up. This is happening over here. What's happening is short trades are getting out of the way. Listen, they're getting out of the way. Why are short trades getting out of the way here when the price is going up? That's not right. That doesn't make sense. It does make sense if you understand that this is probably going to be what's called a short squeeze to the downside, and this is probably going to start moving back up here. I think the moment that this started moving above this descending resistance, short trades moved out because they said this is a bullish sign. Anyone who knows anything about technical analysis knows that a move above a descending resistance like this is an absolute bullish sign for a move up. Period. There's no two ways about it, guys. Like that is a far stronger sign of a move up than it is a move back down. Okay, let's come over here. Market cap strength for EOS. It's just basically it's been crashing and crashing and crashing. This is partly why I love this coin. The eyeballs of the big institutions are not on EOS yet. Can you imagine what's going to happen here? And let me prove this to you before, because this has happened so many times and people don't see this. I'm like, oh my gosh. If you haven't seen this, you don't know what I'm talking about. But look at the volatility of this coin. Look at where we've been. We've been down here. Like, I can't even, let me just do this. This is like insane. We've been down here at these lower prices before. And we pumped 945%. You're like, well, that's just the initial pump. It's not going to happen again. Well, it pumped 536% after that. And then it pumped 391. And then it pumped 158. And like, okay, it's done. No, it pumped 544 after that. This is going to pump again, guys. I'm convinced of that. I really am. Because I know some things. I actually know some of the people working on EOS. The actual official name is EOS.io, the coin, the token. I literally have a good friend. I can't go on any further than that. All I know is that if you guys hold money in here, I think you're in for an incredible treat, and it is why it is my number one holding on all of my crypto. That and Cardano. This phase here is going to take over again, and we are looking at an average of probably around 300 to 400% increase on EOS. And it's staying down. Like, no one knows about it, guys. Look at this. Trend exhaustion is low. Well money flow moving back down. Is this getting ready to just springboard back up here? I think it is. Okay, I'll keep you guys updated on this, but I have really high hopes for this, and I wouldn't, if I didn't think so, I wouldn't have put like majority of my money in that coin. I'm spread out pretty well, but I'm confident you should be getting money in over here. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think it's a good time to get into a long trade. Okay, trades in favor are pushed down closer to long trades than they are short trades. So that's where we're looking at trades in favor. Well, institutional smart money looking to acquire long trades on this dip. You can see this right down here. When this started coming out, it was right around this area. This is where they're acquiring it. All the way up here looking for short trades. And people are like, man, we're just going to keep going. Yes, we're finally going to go to the moon. Nope. You cannot have Wells institutions shorting this strong over here for this long without them getting their way. Guys, they've all made profit over here. They've all made a ridiculous amount of profit on the shorts. And no one thought it was going to keep going up. No. I think a lot of people, let me say it this way. I think a lot of people looking at this metric over here were like, it's never going to drop. It's never going to drop. I'm over here like, guys, I've already been through this. I've seen this happen over here where it's like, oh, it just keeps heading up. And it just keeps heading up. And you're like, this is never going to drop. Here's how you need to interpret this. The more short trades that come out for a longer duration and the price goes up, the bigger drop that's actually going to come. The bigger drop, okay? So watch that. This accumulation of long trades, just like we've been accumulating through this with this buy limit here and this buy limit here, guys, this thing is going to turn around. It is going to turn around and you're going to want to have some money in the market. I'm just letting you guys know about this. I can't tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor, but my personal uneducated opinion, well, I would say we are pretty educated over here. We hold the highest win rate ever in crypto, probably. So we are educated. But my entertainment purposes only, that's probably a better way of putting this, is that I really do believe it's a good time to get into a long trade. I will show you how to get into a long trade on this video. Let's get into that in just 1 second. Resistance, first place I'm looking for is basically the quarters theory level of 250. 250 puts us at this structure right here. Okay. And then after that, we're just going to be looking to target these structures on the way up. If we start moving back down, I don't believe we're going to go lower than this price right here. It's about 190. Okay. 190, I believe, is in for the year for EOS. I don't think we're going to go down below 190. If it is, I'll be very surprised. I'll be shocked. And I'm probably going to put in another $50,000 into crypto if we get back down here, because that will be a gold mine of a steal. Okay, let's move down here. Dollar cost average entries, and then let's get into a trade setup. You guys who got in down here with this metric, you guys got into some crazy good entries. Like I actually got in over here with $49,000 into 6 different coins, and so I'm currently in the profit on that trade, and we're waiting to get in the profit over here. Okay, scroll down here on the EOS chart, but I want to keep it private for our members. Let me show you guys how to trade this, and I'm gonna show this to you guys on Bitcoin. The principles stay the same. This is how we have never lost a crypto trade. Follow me here. You're going to choose the amount you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split it into 4 equal portions, 250, and place 250 at each of the yellow lines over here. And you're going to see 4 yellow lines on EOS as well, okay? Once you set that up, set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit. All right? That's in case the market blows up. Follow me in Telegram because I will call the exit for you guys on this trade. Here's the beauty about this. Those of you guys who can be patient, I'm not going to exit this trade until we're sitting at about this structure high over here. So you're going to do about 70% gain on this trade because I'm not going to exit this until we're back in the profit up here. So you can do about 70%. My entry over here on EOS, I'm going to be doing about 70%. So I'm in this trade with you guys. If this goes down, you're going to have 3 to 4 buy limits. Choose if you guys want to do 3 or 4. Watch Masterclass 1, and I'll teach you guys about the equator. Basically, if you take the high and the low of a crypto, and you are currently sitting below the middle point, picture this as north and south and the equator right here. If you're sitting below the equator, you can use 3 buy limits instead of 4 because you can get more money in the market and you have a higher chance of the price going up. So your risk management can be a little less safe. It can be a little bit more risky by using 3 buy limits instead of 4, but you have to be below the high to the low. You have to be below. Just take the high divided by the low, or just take the low plus the high divided by 2. That's going to give you the average. If you are below the average, you can use 3 buy limits. And that will give you guys more money in the market per buy limit, and you have a higher chance of gaining on that trade because it's already so low. That's what you guys can do for EOS. It's already starting to head up a little bit right now as we're talking. So getting into that trade and follow me in Telegram. Guys, that's all we're doing. It's just a rinse and repeat pattern the whole time. And that is how we have the healthiest crypto account right now, only down 8.7%, while most people are down about 55% right now. Seriously, that's how we're able to do this. The indicators, you guys want to snag. These are 82% off today. Snag these in the description. Don't pass this up. You get the source codes to all of our indicators, okay? You're going to get all 9 of them that you guys can have. Like these 3 are the ones that you really need to copy me on the TradingView charts. These are the 3 that are in every single one of the analysis when I call an exit. So when you guys see this, you guys are going to learn how to use these professionally. All right. That's also the scalping masterclass. You need these 2 indicators right here: price response, money flow, and trend exhaustion. With the bundle pack, this price here is actually basically cheaper than the 3 that you need anyways. So you guys are going to get these 3 and then 6 indicators on top of it. Watch the videos. These are Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView. This is a pressure gauge indicator that absolutely can call ridiculous moves in the market. Please trade this responsibly. This can get you into some crazy good wins, but watch the video and how I use other indicators for confirmation on that. Guys, these indicators are a one-time purchase and you get them for life. Don't pass it up. We have the highest selling and the highest rated product on all of Gumroad.com for education, for trading, for Bitcoin, as well as indicators. We're very humbled and blessed by that, but it's because we created such a high quality product and put it so cheaply discounted that people just buy it up like crazy. And we are going to be looking to up the price of this year. So definitely get this before that goes up. All right. Those links are in the description. So guys, finishing up this day, watch for this market to start turning around. A lot of people are looking for short trades, but I really believe long trades are better. So when you guys have your membership here, make sure you guys are following the Telegram channel. First thing to do, get in the Telegram channel, because I'm going to be calling out that inner circle meeting. And you guys literally, if you want to do this right now, grab your membership, come over here, click the inner circle meeting, and get into the Zoom. You guys can join it actually right now. You can get into the Zoom hangout, and I'll be coming on 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time today, and I'll be going over the markets and doing an open Q&A session with you guys. I cannot wait. It's going to be a blast. So make sure you guys get the indicators in the description, as well as the membership. Start trading with us. We've never lost a trade, and get the metrics that you guys can use to track what Wells institutions are doing so you guys can trade a whole lot better. Okay, guys, I love you. God bless you guys so much. I'll see you guys later in the Zoom call. And until then, guys, get everything you need with the links, set them up. And if you have any questions, email our team at betradeconfident@gmail.com, betradeconfident@gmail.com. We're here to help you. We are literally here to help you all along the way. All right? We'll see you guys later. Links in the description. There you guys go. Bye, guys.